Venlafaxine available as 15 milligrams per 5 mils, right? So that's like 15 milligrams in 5 mils. How many milligrams will be in 2 mils? Well, look, there's 15 milligrams floating around in the 5 mils. 15 milligrams of this magic powder floating in 5 mils of the fluid. So let's get how much is in 1 mil. So to go to 1 mil there, we divide by 5, and we do the same here to the milligrams. Divide by 5. 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So there's 3 mgs in 1 mil. So how many in 2 mil? Well, then we just multiply by 2, and we get 2 mil here. And we multiply this by 2, and we get 6 mgs. There's 6 mgs in 2 mils. So our answer is 6 mgs in 2 mils.